I'm at Diane Newell's property in Decatur, about to do a repair test. Right now I'm standing on the front facet of the property here. We got wind damage shingles on this one, so we're going to be testing for viability of repair. Now, I've identified a wind damage shingle to use for the repair test here, and I've marked out an area of repair including all the shingles that may be affected as a result of the repair test. So I'm going to give you a brief overview of each, so you can see their conditions prior to us performing this repair test. You got shingle number 1 here, shingle 2, shingle 3, shingle 4, shingle 5, shingle 6, shingle 7, shingle 8. All right, I'm using a roof snake to perform this repair test. Towards the end of the repair test, I'll document if any damages occur, take close-up photos, and send it off to you. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my tools, set my camera up, and get started. Making sure everything can be seen properly. Wind damage shingle here. All right, I'm gonna start unsealing the shingles here. Already I'm noticing some signs of matting transfer. Matting transfer is when the sealant on the shingles have fused the two shingles together to a point that once one is unsealed, it actually removes part of the matting fibers from one, damaging that one and having it stick to the other, which also indicates is a big sign of non-repairability, because if we have matting transfer here, as you can see, if we have matting transfer, it creates a situation and a hazard as to where a new shingle can't seal to the shingle that is there placed before. allowing opportunities for wind or wind-driven rain can get up underneath the shingle and damage it. All right, so we're halfway through there. I think I'm missing a couple more. Give me a second. Looks like there's possibly a high nail here. Anyways, we're halfway through now. And as I said before, signs of matting transfer here on these tabs. Towards the end, I'll be able to, go over the final results of everything. And I'll show you the underneath of the tabs where you can see that, that sealant has pulled those fibers out. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and replace it using the root snake, and then we'll see the final results. All right, we finalized the repair test here, so I'm gonna start marking up what I see. Kind of go over everything. Some signs of fracturing here on this tab. I don't know if you can see where that bend is. You can see where the compromising of the asphalt matting in there. That's how you know that matting has been fractured. We got damage there, and we got signs of matting transfer here all throughout. Some more signs here. Some more signs here. Got some right here as well. And this one is a big chunk torn out. And you can see where that's kind of plastered there on the top, and you can see the fibers. This side as well has a big chunk torn out as well. You can see that there where it's pulled from the shingle itself. All right. Some signs of fracturing here on shingle number 8, and then matting transfer throughout all the shingles involved with the repair here. I'm gonna take some close-up photos of this and send this off to you.